In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish on Webflow. If you're ready to take your website from a design concept to a live site, this is the perfect guide for you. Let's jump right in and make your website accessible to the world. To begin, you need to log in to your Webflow account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, and then open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Webflow website and click on the Log In button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and password, and once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Webflow dashboard. Now that you are on your dashboard, it's time to locate the project you want to publish. Your dashboard is the starting point where all your website projects are listed. Look through your list and find the website you plan to publish. If you have multiple projects, you might need to scroll or use the search feature to locate it quickly. Once you've found your project, click to open it. This will bring you into the editing environment where you can make last-minute edits or adjustments if needed. Take a moment to ensure everything looks exactly as you want it. Checking your site's design and content one last time can prevent any errors or unwanted surprises once it's live. With your website open and ready for publishing, direct your attention to the top right corner of the interface. There, you'll notice a bright blue Publish button. This is your go-to button when it's time to bring your website online. Clicking this button will open a drop-down menu detailing the available options for publishing. After clicking the Publish button, you'll be prompted to choose the domain or domains where you want your site to be published. You can select a Webflow subdomain, which is free and ends with webflow.io, or you can publish to your own custom domain if you've already set one up. If you're confident you're ready to proceed, go ahead and select your desired domain or domains. The final step is to click Publish once you've selected your domain. This simple click will set the publishing process in motion. Webflow handles the behind-the-scenes work for you, and within moments, your beautifully designed site will be live and shareable with the world. Navigating the publishing process in Webflow is straightforward once you get the hang of it. Remember, after you've published, it's wise to visit your site directly through your web browser to confirm everything appears as expected. Congratulations on bringing your creative vision to life on the web. And that's it. Following these steps is all it takes to publish your Webflow site successfully.